Welcome back to online classes. So today we are going to start with next topic, that is light. Can you see things in a dark room? No, we can't see things in a dark room. Can you read a book in a dark room? Not at all. We can't read. We cannot see in a dark room. We need light to see things. So, light helps us to see. Do you know? The sun is the main source of light on the earth. During daytime, the sun gives us light. But what about night? During night, we use different objects like bulb, candle, torch, tube light, lamp. All these give out light. So students, all the objects that give out light, they are called luminous objects. For example, bulb, torch, lamp, tube light, and of course sun. All these give out light and these are luminous objects. But some objects are there which do not give us light. For example, book, table, door, tree, dog. All these objects do not give us light and these are non-luminous objects. We can see objects only when light falls on them. Now let's learn about shadow. When you go out in the sun, you see a dark patch on the ground. Here you can look at this picture. The boy is standing and here you can see a dark patch on the ground. As you walk, the dark patch follows you and this dark patch that is on the ground, we call it shadow. This dark patch is shadow. So, a shadow is formed when an object blocks the path of light. The light of the sun, it was falling on the ground directly. But when this boy, it came in between the light of the sun and ground, a dark patch formed and this is shadow. Okay. Do you know the shade under a tree? That is actually its shadow. You can look at this picture. Here it is shadow of the tree. The shade of the tree. The objects like chair, stone, brick, book, all these do not allow light to pass through them. These are known as opaque objects. We cannot see through opaque objects. A shadow is always formed on the opposite side of the source of light. Here in this picture you can see the source of light, means from where light is coming. The light is coming from sun. So it is the source of light. And the shadow is formed opposite to this. A shadow is always formed on the opposite side of the source of light. Here the shadow is long in the morning. Then look at this. Shadow is short at noon. And here in evening, shadow is long in the evening. In morning and evening, the sun rays are slanting. So shadow is long. But during noontime, it falls directly overhead, so it is short. So shadows are sometimes long and sometimes short. This much for today. Thank you.